How a pinch of baking soda can change your life in 11 ways. Everyone uses baking soda in everyday life, but many of its benefits remain a mystery. Baking soda isn't only good for cooking, it actually provides numerous healthy properties that take care of the organism ideally. Defining baking soda. Background. Baking soda is a white crystalline powder, NaCO3, better known to chemists as sodium bicarbonate, bicarbonate of soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, or sodium acid carbonate. It is classified as an acid salt, formed by combining an acid, carbonic, and a base, sodium hydroxide, and it reacts with other chemicals as a mild alkali. At temperatures above 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 149 degrees Celsius, baking soda decomposes into sodium carbonate, a more stable substance, water, and carbon dioxide. Baking soda is 100% composed of sodium bicarbonate. This compound can be used in the culinary field, helping the dough to rise and enriching other dishes in flavor and texture. Baking soda has been used to make bread for centuries back, and it is even used for that purpose today. In its natural form, baking soda is known as nacrolite, which is part of the natural mineral natron. Natron, which contains large amounts of sodium bicarbonate, has been used since ancient times. For instance, the Egyptians used natron as a soap for cleansing purposes. Yet, it wasn't until 1846 that Dry Austin Church and John White began to manufacture and sell the compound we know as baking soda today. By the 1860s, baking soda was featured in published cookbooks but was still primarily known as a cooking additive. By the 1920s, however, its versatility was expanded on, and by the 1930s it was widely advertised as a proven medical agent. 11 ways to use baking soda for your health. Baking soda is extremely cheap and available in all stores. In addition to using it for minor accidents and injuries, baking soda can become a part of your regular hygiene routine. Natural deodorant. If you want to avoid the parabens and aluminum found in many deodorants and antiperspirants, try a pinch of baking soda mixed with water instead. This simple paste makes an effective and simple natural deodorant. You can also simply brush some dry baking soda under your arms. Insect bites and poison ivy. Prepare a baking soda and water paste and apply it directly on insect bites to stop the itching. Baking soda can also help with treating poison ivy rashes and other itches. Enhanced sports performance. Distance runners have long engaged in a practice known as soda doping, or taking baking soda capsules before races to enhance performance, a measure that's thought to work similarly to carbohydrate loading. It's also been shown to improve speed among swimmers. Foot soak and exfoliator. Mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with warm water and soak your feet in it. Also, you can prepare a paste and scrub the feet with it. It is also beneficial to use this method to cleanse the skin without any side effects. Relaxing soak. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar make a wonderful spa-like bath for soaking. It also cleans the tub and the drain, as a bonus. Splinter removal. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to a small glass of water, then soak the affected area twice a day. Many splinters will come out on their own after a couple of days using this treatment. Sunburn remedy. Add 12 cups of baking soda to lukewarm bath water, then soak in the tub for natural relief. When you get out, let your skin air dry, rather than toweling off the excess baking soda, for extra relief. You can also add a mixture of baking soda and water to a cool compress and apply it to the sunburn directly. Heartburn, indigestion, and ulcer pain. Baking soda works by immediately neutralizing stomach acid, helping to relieve heartburn, indigestion and even ulcer pain. Dosing is typically 12 teaspoons fully dissolved in a half a glass of water, taken every 2 hours. Do not take more than 12 teaspoons in 24 hours, or 12 teaspoons if you're over 60. Hand cleanser. Mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part of water to make a natural hand cleanser that will scrub away dirt and neutralize odors. Tooth and gum paste. Baking soda has a mild abrasive action that helps to remove plaque and polish, clean, and deodorize your teeth. One review of data from 5 controlled clinical studies found that toothpaste containing baking soda enhanced plaque removal effectiveness of toothbrushing to a significantly greater extent than brushing with a non-baking soda toothpaste. Baking soda also has antibacterial activity and has been found to kill Streptococcus mutans bacteria, a significant contributor to tooth decay. For an incredibly effective tooth and gum paste, use a mixture of 6 parts of baking soda to 1 part of sea salt. Place them in a blender and mix for 30 seconds, then place in a container to use. Wet the tip of your index finger and place a small amount of the salt and soda mixture on your gums. Starting with the upper outside gums and then the inside of the upper, followed by the lower outside of the gums then the lower inside, rub the mixture onto your teeth and gums. Spit out the excess. After 15 minutes rinse your mouth. This mixture is incredibly effective at killing bacteria. Teeth whitener. For a quick way to whiten your teeth in the morning, sprinkle baking soda into your palm, dip a damp toothbrush into it, and brush. Then rinse and follow with your toothpaste. For an antifungal mouthwash, mix 1 teaspoon baking soda in a half glass of water and swish the solution through your teeth. Baking soda as a natural cleanser. Baking soda has long been used as a household cleanser, and even served to clean the Statue of Liberty during its 1986 restoration. Baking soda can help you clean your kitchen just by sprinkling it on the dirty surfaces. To enhance the effect, add a couple of essential oil drops. Also, by combining baking soda and apple cider vinegar you can clean the bathroom, and even the drain. Mix baking soda with hot water and soak pans in it. Let it act for 15 minutes and then clean them well. The same method is great for cleaning the grill as well. This is also good for cleaning toys. All you need to do is combine 4 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 quart of water. Furthermore, feel free to use baking soda as a fabric softener or a fabric whitener. Use this marvelous product to clean your carpets, by sprinkling it and letting it sit for 15 minutes. In the end, vacuum well. Cutlery and silverware can be cleaned with baking soda, too. Just fill the kitchen sink with hot water, add a sheet of aluminum foil and baking soda, and throw in all cutlery. Finally, you can clean your veggies by using baking soda when you wash them. This will help get the dirt away. How can anyone stay without baking soda? It has miraculous benefits. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.